Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and tonight we're going to start a new type of fire tinder. Never made it before, should have a go. I saw someone criticize someone else's post about they were trying to make their own Fatwood fire starter, and they criticized them, and the criticism I thought was a good idea, so I'm going to try it. So I'm going to start it tonight, and then we'll finish it tomorrow. Right, so first off we're going to be using popsicle sticks. The reason behind that was because they're already cut to size, and then they're easy to use and everybody can pretty much get them. I mean, I got these from Poundland. And then we're going to use is a sandwich bag that fits them in there. I just grabbed a small little one from Tesco's. So we'll work on that now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a container as well. Just in case this leaks. But what we're going to do is we're going to soak them overnight in some turpentine. And that's the one I'm using because that's the one I was able to get. I'm not sure if you can read that. It says turpentine substitute. So that's the best way of doing it for me. The guy that's criticizing, he was saying that to make Fatwood, you know, tinder yourself, this is the way of doing it. So just change the container from a round one. I need more of a longer one. Put some sticks in there, maybe 20 or so. And we're just gonna fill this up. Once it's done, I'll probably just pour it back into the container. Try and make it so that it covers all the wood. Oh, didn't want to get it on me. Right. So I'm just going to do that and then squeeze out the air so it covers it. Alright. Alright, so as you can see, they're all covered, and we're just gonna let them soak. Okay, full disclosure, this has been soaking for probably about 2 days now, so I've been busy with Christmas stuff and just haven't had a chance to really mess with this, which is why I'm a bit behind on my videos. But I'm gonna pour this out back into the container because I would probably use this again. Oop. Right. And make a mess of it. Right. So this stuff doesn't smell nice. It's not good to breathe in. So do keep that in mind. I'm just waiting for the candle wax to melt a little bit there. And then we'll stop messing with this now, and I gotta clean this all up. I'm just going to melt one candle at a time to see actually how much wax I'm going to need, because I don't want to melt loads. So I'm just going to do one at a time, melt it around, and then we'll start dipping stuff around. So I'm going to wear gloves. I'm going to chuck a few in and then try to fish them out. So like that. And then let it dry on there. When this cools off, it should be alright. Alright, so I managed to just use that one candle, and because everything is so thin, it managed to cover all the ones I made, which are cool. That's my new candle fork. So I'm just going to use that from now on for that. Put leftovers in a Coke can, which is still hot, which, you know, it is what it is. And then I have that pan, which is still good. So I'll use that for future reference, as in anything else I want to make. But now let them cool off now. I'll bag them up and then we'll test them outside and see how we get on. Alright, so another few days passed because I've been so busy. These are how the sticks look, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how they look. You know, they're not overly waxed. It's like a coating of wax, even though I dipped them in there. But we're going to try to light them as is and see if they'll light like that, and then if not, I'll feather them now. So let's have a quick look. I haven't tested these yet, so I mean they might not even work. But we're just trying and thinking outside the box a little bit. Okay, so it's not lighting with the coating on. Okay, it's lit now. Put on a bit of wood so you can see. Sizzling. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one in this little pot here, which is an old wok. I use that as my little fire pit. So I'll leave that burn and see how we get on with that one. So it is making its way down. It is all lit. It is still going. So it's been burning for over a minute already. I've got a little timer going. Doesn't smell too bad. Right, so while that one's still going, let me just cut another one up and then see if it takes a little bit better without the wax coating on. I'm going to time this one now on this because it's dry. So that one went for 2 minutes 33 seconds. And I'm going to start this one now. I'm going to keep it on the wood block because that's all wet in there. Again, no, not smelling bad. It's burning a bit quicker than before. Still pretty good. So it just burned the whole end now that way, and it's working its way that way. Yeah, I think that burns better with the feathered up. Plus you'll save a feather rod from not doing it so much. Before you ask about the feather rod, this is one of those many-sided ones. I used it for quite a while. It's a good one. I'll put the link up, well, I'll put a logo up where I got it from, and I just put some duct tape on the end there for a handle. Alright, and that's about out, and it's 2 minutes 37 seconds. So not too bad. Just jump this in there. Alright, I'll do one more. I just want to see if you just break it in half, and then I'll stop boring you with this. No, I would stick with feather in it. Yeah, feathering it would be better. So, impressions, it works. A bit of fluff though. I mean, you can get a small bag like this, put some cotton balls in there, Vaseline, and then use some paraffin wax, and then do the same thing pretty much. That's probably what a lot of you guys are going to say, but I saw this combination online. I figured I'd try it out, give it a go, try something new. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.